Hello, welcome. Here's a little information about your teacher. Me, Mrs. Stockard, formerly known as Miss Sweeney. You may or may not have heard of me before. You might have even had me as a teacher before. But this tutorial is just about me, so you become a little bit familiar with who I am. So just some information. I just got married this summer in July 10th to be specific. I was actually supposed to get married May 22nd, but because of the pandemic, we had to cancel and then reschedule and got married July 10th. It had to be small. So instead of inviting all my friends and family, I was only able to invite about 28 people. And it had to be an outdoor setting. So it wasn't my ideal wedding, but it was fun and I'm glad we're married. I did get my bachelor's degree from Eastern Illinois University and I graduated a long time ago. I was in a sorority there, Sigma, Sigma, Sigma. And I have 2 master's degrees from Olivet Nazarene. I will be entering my 15th year of teaching this fall, so it's pretty exciting. This is my 14th year at Leiden, so I've been around a long time and I've had a lot of students, a lot of siblings. So if I've had your sibling, just let me know. I usually have a good memory to remember most people. I'm very, very passionate about teaching culinary arts. When I first started teaching culinary arts at Leiden, there was only 2 classes and we've evolved it so much that we have like 7 different culinary classes. So it's pretty exciting. My dog's name is Finn or Finnegan, and he is the apple of my eye and I love him so much. I'll show you a picture of him on the next screen. Some pictures. This is on the bottom left. That's my little Finnegan. He's a Beagle Dachshund mix. So that's Finn. A little bit more about myself. I have a stepdaughter since I just got married. Her name is Olivia. She just turned 12. She lives with me and my new husband and her mom. She goes back and forth. She's in 7th grade. A little exciting information. I'm having a baby in September. So that's pretty exciting. I'm having a girl. My favorite food is pasta. I love going to cafes, bakeries. I love having coffee and chatting with my friends. It's just something I just love to be very social. And one of my favorite hobbies is going to Orange Theory. And even throughout my pregnancy, I've been going there religiously. I was really upset when the pandemic happened and all gyms were closed. But I have since returned and it is something that I just love to do. And then the last thing, this is a picture of me with my new husband when we got married. So that's just a little bit about me. I'm sure you'll learn more as I will learn about you. And I am super excited to get started with this new way of teaching remotely, and even more excited when we return in person. So I'm looking forward to learning and working with you this year. Thank you.